Buenas tardes, Joel. This short video is to help you out to understand this topic about the say constructions or impersonal constructions in Spanish. I had these few examples that will provide some light or extra light on this topic. First, we start with sentences on the left in English. We speak Spanish. Pretty much these are uh, these you will find it in signs outside businesses where it says, for example, we speak Spanish, but who does the speaking? It doesn't say, right? We repair hearts. Who does the repair? It doesn't say. We need witches. Who need it? It doesn't say. So that's why it's called impersonal. It's like we're saying, you were saying in English, one needs to be smart. You need to be wise, but who's you? Who's one? Anyone. So that's why again it's called impersonal. How these expressions are transferred into Spanish? First of all, it's mandatory to have the se in front of the sentences. And we have speak, and this is the final result. We have se habla español. We repair heart. We have se reparan corazones. We need witches. We have se necesitan brujas. As you can see, I have an N because it's referring to the plural. I have an N because it's referring to the plural. How we change a verb from its base form or infinitive into the form for the imperfect construction? It's very, very simple. Even your video VHL may give you some explanation. To me, it's very, very fast. It's very, very simple. As you see right here, we have the verb hablar, AR endings. These three are AR ending. We just drop the R. Habla. Don't forget that it has to be in front of this se. Reparar. We drop the R. But since we're talking about plural, we need to add an N. Necesitar. We drop the R. But since we're talking about plural, then we had to add the AN. N in this case, as it happens on the previous examples. Okay? Drop the R. And the singular, nothing else needs to be added. But if it's plural, then you have to add an N. You have seen in fast food restaurants, we serve breakfast until 10. Who does the serving? Who does the preparation of the breakfast? Is it John? Is it Peter? Is it Juan? Is it Pedro? Is it Jose? Is it Patrick? You know, right? How do we transfer this information to Spanish? We have the final product right here. Se sirve desayuno hasta las 10 de la mañana. How do we code that? Where do we get that sirve? Well, in this case, servir is a stem changing verb. The E goes to I, and it's an IR ending. In this case, we also have to drop the R, but we switch the I into an E. With ER ending verbs, if they work like a AR ending verb, we just drop the R. What about if we have something like we eat burgers here? Then you will have to say se comen, because it's burgers, hamburguesas aquí. Okay? I think this is a very simple, easy to understand video about this topic. And as always, if you have any question to ask, don't forget just to drop me an email. Have a wonderful afternoon.